Hi, in this video I will show you how to purchase BNB on Metamask. For that, first of all, launch your Metamask mobile application. Now you will have two options of having BNB in your Metamask account, but before that you need to make sure that the BSC network is selected over here. So Metamask is an Ethereum wallet by default. So in order to change it manually, you need to tap on the drop arrow button in the top and here select the add network option. Now here you will be able to see BNB chain, so tap on the add button right next to it. Now it will show you these things, so you just have to simply tap on confirm, then tap on switch to network. After that, you will notice that now BNB Smart Chain is selected over here. Now for any reason, if you are not able to find BNB chain in this section after tapping on add network, you can even select the custom networks option and you can provide all these details. You will find all these details on the internet. So you just have to copy the details and add them here one by one. Then tap on the add button in the bottom. Now once this step is done, in order to buy BNB, you can directly tap on buy BNB and then you just have to select your region. After selecting it, it will show you the option of buying your BNB, but before that you need to first select the payment method. So whichever payment method you prefer, you just have to simply select that. After that, you need to enter the amount in your own currency into this section, then tap on the get codes option. After that, it will show you some of the third party service providers, so you just have to select any of those, then it will redirect you on their website so that you could make the payment. So you just have to simply follow the steps as it asks you to do so, and you will be able to buy the BNB coin on Metamask. So this was the first step. In the second step, what you can do is you can simply receive your BNB from any other exchanges like Binance, KuCoin and Kraken to your Metamask account, and it will show you over here. That would be on the home page. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like, subscribe and comments if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching.